Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, I just got to share this one with y'all because this was just something that popped up yesterday and I had to jump on it. Enough so that it was about 9 o'clock. I had to, I literally got in my car and went and bought it. It was 9 o'clock at night and just because it was too good of a deal to pass up. And I know it probably wasn't going to be there till the morning. So, it's not for the Mustang. It's not for the Camaro. It's not for the Mustang or the Camaro. Okay, guys? So, what we have, I got me a deal. One, I've been kind of searching for these for a while, and they're always on back order, and it's even harder to find them for the specs. So, it's actually for the GTI, and I got me a set of RPF1 guys, and these things they're mint. I mean, they're mint. They're in really good shape. I don't know how long the guy had them. He had a GTI too because he met me in a GTI. And I was like, yeah, I didn't even question him on the price or anything. I'll let you guys know the price towards the end of the video. But it was too good of a deal to pass up. I mean, stupid deal. Enough of a deal that you got to get. It's like, I told my wife, I'm going to go buy these. And she's like, okay. It was that good of a deal. Because you don't even find these without tires for even half that price. So I picked them up. I got the rest over here in the car already. So these are, like I said, these things are in really good shape. The guy was on bag, so one of them has a little bit of a scuff, but nothing. It just, honestly, I could probably buff it out. But the rest are awesome. And these things are stupid light. So I went to my Russian friend down in down by the stadium and picked up some. These are Firestone Firehawks. I'll throw some used tires on right now and see how these do. I've heard good things about these, and he always gives me good deals. So I was able to pick up a set of 4 and throw them on there and see how they do. Because these are a little bit too much stretch for me, and I want something a little taller. These are 40s. This is a 35, so I want something a little taller. So I'm happy as hell. I've literally had 2 people already offer me money for them. They haven't offered me money. They keep messing me. Hey, did you buy them? I'll buy them off you right now. But nobody's really offering me money. You offer me a stupid deal I can't refuse on myself. But it gotta be a really good deal because these things are nice. So yeah, a little bit too much lip, guys. A little bit too much lip for my taste. And actually these tires are actually not in bad shape. So let me see what I can do with these. I don't know. These 2 or 3. One's a little wore, but the 3 of them are actually in decent shape. So I don't know what brand this is. Z-Tex. I never even heard of that crap. So, but these are real deal. Real deal Enkie are RPF1 guys. Real deals. So yeah. Sometimes I always told people, if you find a good deal and you know it's a good deal, whatever freaking time of the day it is, you go. You jump on it and you go. Because if it's a real good deal, somebody else is going to think the same thing. Dude posted it. 10 minutes later, I said, I'll meet you. And an hour later, I had picked them up. And that's when I see stuff like that, that's how I do. It's kind of how I did with the seats. Actually, the seats, the guy, I had messaged him and he said, give me like a week. And then he messaged me back and said, come pick them up. But I was like the first one to message him. I gave him a decent offer and he took it. And same deal with the seats. Half that car right there is, I would say 75% of that car right there has been secondhand parts that I've just been able to find good deals on, including the turbo kit. So let's go to the tire place. I want to get these things on, and hopefully I don't have no issues. I think the lugs I have will work. Everything I've read, they'll work, but I'm gonna do a little more homework. If anything, I'll order some different lugs. And but I'm happy as hell. I'm more happy sometimes because, not so much because of the wheels, because I got a good deal. I know, I'm weird like that. So let's go to the tire shop, get these things put on. I'm really excited. All right, guys, right quick before we go. These are not bad wheels, but they're actually pretty nice wheels, and they're in great shape. I'm gonna sell them, but something about those RPF ones are just, ever since I've seen them, I'm like, they just look good on the GTIs. And I don't know, and I think I wanted to go down to an 18 and I think get a little more performance. Those wheels are super light. So yeah, they're not bad wheels. They're not crazy expensive wheels. I think I paid like 600 bucks for them new, which is stupid cheap for wheels. And the tires are actually pretty new too. At least the front ones are. I wanted something a little grippier, so I put the different tire in the front. But I'm gonna go ahead and sell those here probably as soon as I get them off the car, and probably post them up and clean them up a little bit. But yeah, these are Alzor's 059 or something. I don't remember what the other name is. But they're 19 by 8.5, I think, on a 235 35 19. So yeah, they're not bad wheels, a little dirty, but they're none of them, no road rash, no scuffs, no anything. So all right, now we're going. Getting ready, getting ready. Yeah, don't do stretchy boy tires. Thing that has to take off. All right, guys. So, car's done. Car looks good. Car looks damn good. A whole lot better than I thought it was gonna turn out. And these wheels are super popular, but you just really don't see them much. And y'all just gotta see it. Just look. Just look. Let me tell y'all, Enkies, RPF ones, real. These are real Enkies. These ain't knockoffs. These are real deal Enkies. I looked at all the little numbers in the back and all that crap, and you can see these things are in awesome shape, guys. Awesome shape. So it's super cool, and really happy with the way it looks. Just overall, the look came out awesome, and I don't know what else to say when it comes to just how happy I am, because the car looks good. Look at that, the car looks good, guys. It looks good. I really need to get on this car when it comes to ceramic coating. It needs it, and it's time. I told myself I was gonna do it in the winter time, so I gotta get on and do it. But just wow, guys. Just aggressive. The car's aggressive. So tires, I went with Firehawk Indies 500s. I didn't go crazy with basically it's an 18 by 9 plus 35 offset. So I didn't go crazy with it when it came to. I could have gone a little more aggressive. I could have gone with a 35. I mean, with a 40 and a 235. This is a 225, and you can see I have a little poke still. So I could have gone 235. I just wanted to play it safe, because a lot of guys out there kept reading last night. They were running a 245, and they were getting rubbing and stuff like that. So next time around I'll probably go 235. But car looks good. It just gives it a more aggressive race car look, I guess. I don't know if you even call this thing ever a race car. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about the way this looks, because I think it looks good. I think it looks really good. I know it never ends. I told myself I was gonna leave this car stock. That didn't happen. So there's the other wheels right there. I'm gonna post those up tonight. If anybody's interested, let me know. But they're in good shape. I won't ask much. So what I paid for these wheels, I paid 600 bucks for these wheels, guys. $600 for Enkie, real deal Enkies RPF ones. So I can't complain. I got another 200 bucks in the tires, because I got them used, and I got a connection that gives me good deals on tires. When I decide to go Mustang, I always go new tires, but with this one, that's not a big deal. It's just daily. I maybe put 20 miles a day on this car, so I might be 800 bucks all in. When these tires, these wheels by themselves, are $1,400, and they're always on back order. Unless you get lucky and they just have the spec that you need. So $1,400 wheels for 600 bucks. That's why I got in the car and said, let's go. And an hour later, they were in my car heading home. So. Damn. It just looks good. I'm happy with it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And if you have, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think on the Enkie's RPF ones. I know they're pretty common. A lot of Honda guys use them. So they're not a, but I don't see them much, at least where I'm at. So let me know what you guys think. If you like them, let me know. If you don't like them, let me know also. And you guys take care of yourselves and be safe out there.